The phone rings. It is a debt collector asking about an old balance. What you say in the next 2 minutes can protect you or hand them a lawsuit. Because on old debt, one wrong sentence or a single small payment can restart the legal clock and revive a case that was already dead. Here is what most people get wrong. When a collector calls, before you confirm a single thing, ask 3 questions. Is this debt even yours? Is it still valid? And is the caller real? Collectors chase the wrong people and expired debts every single day. So on that first call, verify before you commit to anything. Don't agree to pay, and don't send money, not even $5, because on old debt, a single payment can legally revive it. Verify first, then decide. And never hand your bank account number, your card number, or a post-dated check to a caller you have not verified. Fake collectors are everywhere. Give nothing until you have proof in writing that the debt is real and that they have the right to collect it. This isn't about ducking a debt you actually owe. It's about not getting tricked into paying the wrong party, a scam, or a debt that is legally dead. If it's real and yours, handle it on your terms in writing. So why does a small payment matter this much? Every debt has a statute of limitations. It is the window of time a collector can take you to court. In most states, 3 to 6 years. When that window closes, the debt is time-barred. They can no longer win a lawsuit. But in many states, if you admit the debt, promise to pay, or make one payment, the clock resets to 0, a fresh 3 to 6 years. So, a $25 payment on a dead debt can hand the collector years of new legal power. Federal rules already bar them from suing on time-barred debt. So instead, some will simply try to talk you into reviving it. So what do you actually say? Stay calm. Don't confirm anything you cannot yet verify. One line handles it. I am not going to discuss this on the phone. Send me everything in writing. Then get their information. Ask for the caller's name, the company name, its address, and the name of the original creditor. Write it all down. A real collector will give it. A scammer often will not. Whatever they offer, don't negotiate or commit before the paperwork arrives. No payment plan, no promises, no dates. You lose nothing by waiting for proof. You lose a lot by committing to a debt you have not confirmed is even yours. You may also want to record the call. Recording laws vary by state. Some allow it if just one person consents, you. Others require everyone on the call to agree. Check your state before you hit record. Within 5 days of first contacting you, a collector must send a written validation notice. It lists the amount, the original creditor, and your right to dispute within 30 days. This is the paperwork you have been waiting for. Here is the move. Within 30 days, send a written request to validate the debt. Do it, and by law they must stop collecting until they mail you real proof the debt is valid and that they own it. And if the calls keep coming and you want them to stop, remember the 4 words from the last video. Cease all further contact. Put it in writing. Send it by certified mail under Section 1692C. The first call is a test. The collector is hoping you will talk, confirm, and pay before you have verified a thing. Do the opposite. Stay calm, verify before you commit, and get it in writing. This isn't about ducking a debt you owe. If it's real and yours, handle it on your terms in writing. And if the debt is old enough to be time-barred, don't pay it or confirm it is yours until you have checked, because a single move can revive it. Next time, the letter that forces them to prove the debt is even yours. The debt validation letter, word for word.